So wow, this is amazing. Mahavishnu Paramatloka, the original name of the Angkorwat. It was built during the Khmer Empire by the great king Suryavarman II. So this is a Buddha statue, but many missing hands. So this statue is not original. It was kept in 16th century during the King Angchan Richia. So he converted Angkor Wat to Bodhi temple. He just add more the Buddha statue in the second gallery and thousand Buddha level down part. Angkor Wat is geometric. They just calculation by astronomers. So come to see and get to know more history with the local guys Bun Bun. I know how to take a great sport picture, less crowd, and also avoid strong heat in summertime. You will collect a lot of picture and history during the Khmer Empire.